Methods that a carpet cleaning company follow to clean carpets. Are you planning to clean the carpets of your Melbourne home? You must hire the best carpet cleaning company in Melbourne. One reason behind that is that these professionals come up with different methods of cleaning carpets. The methods that they use include hot water extraction cleaning, carpet shampooing, encapsulation, dry cleaning. Our experts in Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne are experts in all these methods. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.